Hi, this is Mohammed Chisti, Certified Public Accountant from New York. IRS sending estimated $2.4 billion to 1 million taxpayers. IRS announced just today that based on their internal data, they found many eligible taxpayers who filed a 2021 tax return but did not claim recovery rebate credit, which is known as third stimulus payment. They're sending $2.4 billion to 1 million taxpayers this month who filed a 2021 tax returns but did not claim $1,400 stimulus checks. No action is needed for eligible taxpayers to receive these payments, which will go out automatically in December and should arrive in most cases by late January 2025. These payments will be automatically directly deposited or sent by paper checks. Eligible taxpayers will also receive a separate letter notifying them of the payments. The payments will be sent to bank account listed on their 2023 tax return or to the address of record. If taxpayer closed their bank account since filing their 2023 tax return, taxpayers do not need to take any action. The bank will return the payment to the IRS and the refund will be reissued to the address of record. The IRS reminds taxpayers who have not yet filed their 2021 tax returns that they may be eligible for a refund if they file and claim the recovery rebate credit by the April 15, 2025 deadline. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more tax tips video. If you have any questions, contact Chisti CPA at 347-515-3858.